we're from All American Thrills. We are at Six Flags Great Adventure in Jackson, New Jersey, getting a sneak peek of the all-new CYBORG Cyber Spin ride. This is the world's first ride themed to the DC superhero Cyborg, and it is North America's first gyroscope-inspired and designed thrill ride. What makes this so amazing is 24 riders at a time get on board with their feet dangling. When the ride begins, it lifts up and goes 70 feet into the air as you flip head over heels, spin side to side, and pivot unpredictably. The ride is so extreme, it is unlike anything else that we have ever ridden, and shows again why Six Flags is the leader of innovation in the theme park industry. You hang upside down as you lift up out of your seat. Every single ride is completely different, so you never fully know what to expect. And videos don't do it justice. You have got to come to Six Flags Great Adventure in Jackson, New Jersey, whoa, to experience CYBORG Cyber Spin.
Oh, this is so fun! Record it!
CYBORG Cyber Spin at Six Flags Great Adventure in Jackson, New Jersey is now open. Thank you for riding along with us today. It's been so much fun. This is a great ride.
This is an awesome ride and a great addition for Great Adventure. I can't wait for everybody else to get on this ride and experience it, and let us know what you think on our YouTube channel and on our other social media channels on Facebook and on Instagram, and let us know.
Absolutely. Thank you for watching.
Have a great day, everybody.
Thank you for watching this video. To be kept in the loop for future family-friendly videos, subscribe to us here on YouTube. You can also like All American Thrills on Facebook or follow on Twitter and Instagram. Be sure to check out the related content on your screen right now.